Huge quantity of banned substances seized in Delhi. Hello and good morning. You're watching me on KAL Live Primetime English News. Despite several interceptions and arrests, smugglers are still continuing with their illegal activities. However, the alert KAL police are in no mood to let them escape away easily.
During a Naka checking at Delhi Gate, one LP truck with a registration number AS01CC 6593 was intercepted, which was coming from Dimapur and heading towards Guwahati. During search of the truck, 2 packets of ganja weighing 20.85 kgs were found concealed under driver's seat. In this connection, the driver of the truck, identified as 21 years old Kaushlendra Kumar, son of Parsasa of Korigrama, Mahawal in Muzaffarpur, Bihar, has been arrested. The ganjas was seized under physical supervision of Sri Jondas, APS, SDPO Bokajan. The Naka team consisted of OC Delhi Police Station SI Bitupon Chutia, SI Hirak Jyoti Das, ASI Jiten Gogoi, Constable Pulak Sarma, Ananta Das and Pankaj Baklari, Home Guard personnel Maising Tokbi, Krishna Chandra Das and Jiten Basumatari. Vijay Rongpi's report from Delhi for KAL Live.
In a latest development, United People Revolutionary Front Commander-in-Chief was killed in a shooting that took place in Tilangnom under the Delhi police station on early Sunday morning. Here is a report from our correspondent.
In what is believed to be infighting among the UPRF underground group, its commander-in-chief, identified as Mangin Khalhau or Verapan, succumbed to his injury after being hit by a bullet. The firing incident took place in the wee hours among the UPRF armed group, during which the CNC was hit and was immediately taken to Bokajan Community Health Center for treatment. But the underground group leader succumbed to his injury on the way and was declared brought dead by the health center authority. Following this, the dead body of the slain UPRF leader was handed over to the police and was later taken to Dipu Medical College and Hospital for postmortem. Meanwhile, detail of the incident and motive behind the shooting among the armed group is not yet known at time of filing this report. Anant Terang's report from Bokajan for KAL Live.
Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen chumesen hanaan long iji ladak nanglitum karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long poniji. Kelongjia sonamong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserangahan hipi kipi chutney dumke karlu phag ok kiup phag ok slice fry phag ok kipi phag ok kimung lang ok kiup lang ok fry vo ok kimung vo ok han lapenan parta VIP AC room longponengji. Komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai lapen kaprek ajai megalongta nangji pulote long iji. Aprang pen kepathi ke jiaphan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-23986 along Humri lote long ponichi. Lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniglo. Dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka KAL. Local organizations comprising of Jingthur Youth Association and Students Youth Council on Sunday conducted social work along the BBTC road between Koilamati and Chotiana area, aimed at clearing blockage of road view to prevent road accidents. The social work was conducted with a view to prevent any road accidents due to obstruction of view caused by thick bushes, grass, creepers or any plants along both sides of the road, and to prevent any harm or collision with wild animals including elephants, deer or other species which are commonly found in the area. Chingrum Youth Association President Jirsong Tokbi, Koilamati Development Committee President Longki Phangcho, Modon Kathar, local SGB and several members of the organizations and area also took part in the program. In addition to this, social worker James Phangcho and Boson Rongpar, who were also present during the social work program, also shared their advice and views with regards to the responsibility of individuals or organization for the development of area. During the day, CYA felicitated social workers James Pangcho and Boson Rongpar with Gamusa and Karbi Poho through its president Jirsong Togbi in show of their gratitude towards the two for their continued support and active participation in any work or programs related to the welfare of the people and development of the entire area.
Ni tum nilip CYA Chingrum Youth Association atum chutiana pen kolamatia dakalong panbom bang bom sipinian ke ni phon pleng tang lo pipot ma flotang te ingnar pen kasik sak akai samei ni tum chathan pang lo ingnar patang bom krui pen la pen adu ke along mane hi pen gari bang hi pen bati bang nason chathak long le pen kaching koi ka chatong nason topik la pen jeni sin tum klam pon bom lo
nang le tum pini bang on ba chatong na tum
pini ni tum bang phokepra toxinian chatong long pini
pi la bang somai lo nang tum kichu yun pen ang pardan ke thege ding tum ni lip along ke thege ding tum na chatong lun mada
pini ni phok ke chok along bang ke lok son si difu pen ke hai jams phangcho alang le ni tum along bang pen ang humri pen ni tum phan kichu kijun lang cartoon pen chenglok la pen phang ok link crep for one pilo la pen surgery ti lang cartoon ka to ko ni tum phan nangwan pi pen si ni tum pini ani si bang ke dor lo
la pen pardan na tum la dak kam klem mate habi ke pan tum bang ando
pini habit ke pan tum bang ke bang tikep ra phone doji
an parge la tum han ke ani siang mo banana tum CYA association hin pen kon alon nan tum la ani si nong nam mate hajira na tum ki pipon ke
nili CYA youth that chetong long pulo tangte nili tum hajira chipi jok proji athema Pirtheu moi sa pena jok ni tum chetong long o de mat si chetong la pote ni tum youth 1000 of the members tamini tum hajira si pirong lo inut pen 200 ani si
la pini la bang blikep so se atum ke pan habit ke pan tumang bon na tum CYA a members adoma mante akaprek angtan pen ke bang tum sila dakam klem
nili tum pini habit ke panalong bangke angtan pen tum han si hang lo ni tum bangke chelang dun lo ke panangi thengpi pangjok nangji la pen towara kungkung along la kwan si ke pan ke palai nangji ma la hai sini tum chelang dun thangchot lo
Sanjay Crow's report from Chokiola, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have it is for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.